Muthenya wa family ya Monica Kimani ugarurukire na waihuru ni nduma thutha wao kunyita riboti ati Monica ni mukuo. Muthenya wa gatatu kiumia giki kurekwirwo niguo Monica aragerirwo ngero mwena wa Kilimani guku Nairobi. Family ya Monica irauga arakoretwo agibanga thabari ya guthie kuhuruka Dubai, no atanathie ararionane na muru wa nyina, no mucemanio wao ndunakinyanira.
He just came back yesterday at 6:21. We spoke. She told me she's in Taxify, and then we never spoke again. I texted her at night. She didn't reply.
Igeria ria kumwetha na njira ya thimu riraringa ihiga, na hau niho muru wa nyina arathire kumurora mucii gwake na arakora mwiri wake mbabu.
She was there lying lifeless. Then she was her hands were tied with some these things that tie electric cables, and also her legs.
She's the firstborn daughter. I love so much. I am very bitter about these people. I don't know why, because I was feeling if there is any debt my daughter has, I could pay everything so that she may live.
Borithi nimeranirie ati nimambikite uthuthuria na megutigirira aria maratabanirie giko giki ni maikio ngono.
Maybe the issue of the company, if there was anything that the police can give us, let them tell us. But we are so much hit by this death.
Gutire kuramenyekana niki kiracungiriirie muiritu uyu kugerwo ngero ya muthemba uyu ihinda inini tu thutha wake gucoka kuuma Sudan ya muhuro kuria ararutaga wira. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni wa Jihia.